Hello, this is Miss Organic, and this is reading for second grade on October 26th. So make sure that you have something to write with and something to write on, and that you are looking at the screen while we are doing this lesson today. Obviously, you want to take responsibility for your work. You want to make sure that you are focused. If you need a break during some time, that you're taking that break if need be, but you're doing nice work. We are going to be using I can use my letter knowledge to read more words. And we talked about how that means that we know some of the letter rules, we know our letter sounds, now we need to apply that to reading words. And we're going to be reading words in passages with good accuracy and speed. So I can read my passage with good accuracy and speed. And remember, accuracy means getting things right. How are we going to hit our learning target? By reading with our eyes, ears, and mouth. And we are going to hit our target by reading and rereading so that more words can get into our brain. We want to make sure that we will know we have success when we are able to read better and we are able to answer questions about what we read. We're going to take a look at our 1 minute read first. This week, our 1 minute read is called Our Vacation. So I'm going to go ahead and I will read it to you for 1 minute, and then it's going to be your turn to read it after that. So I'm gonna start my timer. Mom woke me up when it was still dark. Get up, she said. It's time to go on vacation. That's right, I said. We're going to Dinosaur World. I knew this would not be a normal trip. Each bag looked like a dinosaur egg. When we got to the airport, there were dinosaurs everywhere. We walked up to the counter. How many are in your family? A dinosaur asked my mother. All families travel in the same group of airplanes. We each got on a dino plane. Mom's was huge. My sister's dino plane was tiny. Off they went up through the clouds. Dad's dino plane was different. The luggage handlers hung the bags on the dinosaur's back. We never lose luggage, the pilot said. Okay, so I'm going to stop right there. It's a very good story. And just think, on Friday, we're going to read the whole story and then we're going to answer questions about it. I am now going to set the timer. It is your job now to read it out loud. Okay, we're going to stop right there. And it would be wonderful if you could write at the top of your page how many words you got. So if you got to this word right here, so then the first row was 11, and this would be 12 and 13. So this would be 13 if you got here. If you got down here to this word, that would be 19. So please make sure you write at the top of your paper the number of words you got during your 1 minute read. We are going to be starting a new story today. Our new story is different kinds of places. So if you notice, my background is a beach. I thought, since our 1 minute read was about vacations and today's is about different kinds of places, well, a beach would be a vacation place and a different kind of place. So we're going to take a look at our vocabulary words. So let's look at that.
Lesson 4. Target vocabulary. Breeze, dangerous, scare, screaming.
Okay, let's read the first word, breeze. What is the word? Breeze. Next one is dangerous. What is the word? Dangerous. Next one is scare. What is it? Scare. Last word is screaming. What is it? Screaming. So we have breeze, dangerous, scare, screaming. Your turn. Okay, nice. And I read the title, Different Kinds of Places. Now let's listen to number 1.
1. A dangerous place isn't right for you. A street is dangerous. It isn't safe. You might get hurt. Name.
Okay, now we need to read it. You need to be reading it with me. A dangerous place isn't right for you. A street is dangerous. It isn't safe. You might get hurt. Now it's your turn. Isn't, street, isn't, might. Okay, and then our
A
question.
dangerous place.
So our question is, name a dangerous place. And today, while we were in group today, some people named the dangerous place that was in their reading, and some people did a different dangerous place. So it's up to you. But we all need to start a dangerous place. A dangerous place is a street. We had some friends say a dangerous place is by a stranger. And we also had a friend say a dangerous place is by water. So those would be all okay answers, but we need to make sure we have our capital A, our nice finger space. So a dangerous place is a street. I got that right from our reading, but you could get a different answer if you want. So your choices are to write my same answer or a different answer. You are going to need to pause to write this whole thing down. I'm going to give you 1 minute right now, but then I am going to erase our answer to go on to the next one. Okay, I am now going to erase your answer. If you needed more time, like I said, go ahead and pause. Okay, now let's take a look at number 2.
2. Some places might scare you. No one likes to be afraid. Scary places are not right for you. Name
Okay, ready? I need to hear both of our voices. Some places might scare you. No one likes to be afraid. Scary places are not right for you. Okay, now it's your turn. Afraid, scary places, right? Okay, and now let's look at our question.
2 places that might scare a cat.
So name 2 places that might scare a cat. And you know what? Everyone had the same thought today in group. So 2 places that might scare a cat are by a dog and by water. So in our group, those are the 2 things that we could think of, and everyone thought of the same 2 things. So, oh, and I needed to write 2 places, not just place. So 2 places. Oh, that's an S. Doesn't look like a very good S though. Uh, 2 places that might scare a cat are by a dog and by water. So you're going to write that down too. I'm gonna give you 1 minute, but you might need more time, which is completely fine. Just make sure you pause. But after 1 minute, I'm going to end our session for today. So get this written down and then we will um, turn it in through Buzz. Thanks. Have a great day. Okay, I'm going to go now. If you needed more time, go ahead and pause me before I end the session. Bye. Have a good day.